Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niky Foster, and on this channel I share budget-friendly and inspiring ideas. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my holiday Dreambox styling. I have mentioned before in my craft room makeover video that I was going to be doing this. I mean, I kind of like mentioned it because I was like low-key planning to do it anyway. So here we are. Happy holidays and welcome to the 4th day of Christmas. So I'm going to start with showing you guys the wallpaper that I installed already. And yeah, let's just go to the clip. That means roll the clip. Roll the clip. I forgot. I gotta roll the clip. Okay, so here's the wallpaper that I chose from Create Room. This wallpaper is amazing. It is light gray, buffalo plaid print, but it also has like a watercolor kind of feel to it. I chose this one as it was the most neutral for my space. And at this point, I really wasn't sure which direction I was going in for like the styling of the holidays and the styling of my Dreambox. So I basically went with this one. Also, a note about the wallpaper, it is peel and stick. It's super high quality though, so if you make a mistake or need to unpeel it, it doesn't rip on you. I had to readjust the wallpaper at least once or twice myself, and it didn't rip because it's made from a woven canvas. The wallpaper actually has a little bit of overage to it, so in order to cut it to size, I did use a ruler and a craft knife to size it perfectly to the swing doors. The hardest part of installing the wallpaper was actually putting the wallpaper in the workspace area, but that's probably because I kept my table out when I should have actually folded it to make my life a little bit easier. But other than that, it was really easy and I'm really glad with the way it turned out. For the insert liners, I'm using a light grip matte, thick cardstock. And the thick cardstock that I'm using is actually from Michaels and it's called Silver Fox. This paper matched best with the buffalo check wallpaper. I thought the color worked really well together, and the whole time I was putting the inserts in, I was thinking I cannot wait to see the final results. For the inserts, I actually didn't cut out any holes this time. I noticed that some of the other ones that I did before with the black color, I did see some items peeking through and I wasn't really sure how I felt about it. So for this round, I did decide to leave the inserts fully intact and I want to see if I like this look better. So yesterday basically took all day for me to finish cutting the inserts for the Dreambox. So today I'm going to just be styling it and putting everything together. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is basically what the Dreambox looks like currently with the black and the floral print. Here's all the paper that was cut out, and now it's time to put them into the in-view totes. And here's the cardstock going into the medium totes, and actually I keep the other color paper behind it so I don't lose them in case I change up the style again, which most likely I probably will, but I won't have to cut all the paper out again. And don't worry, I didn't forget about the little mini ones either. Okay, so everything's starting to look really good, but now we're gonna make it look a little bit more festive with some holiday colors and some elements that just say Christmas. So I have a few things that's downstairs that I'm gonna grab real quick because I kind of like using what I have already, and then we're gonna go to IKEA to see what else they have. Let's go. All right, so let's just move some stuff around. Take these out. I moved a few shelves around to make some room for something right in the center of the Dreambox. My little nutcrackers I got from Target. I had these bottle brush trees from Target that worked really well in the 3 slots on the swing door. I specifically went to Michael's to get these ribbons because they were like holiday inspired and really festive. I thought these were like really cute. So for gift wrapping and stuff, I'm just gonna have these already available for me to use. Perfect. Okay, and now I'm gonna get rid of these here. I grabbed these candy canes from the dollar store and it worked as an easy solution to quickly decorate the swing door. There is no official theme here, so I was just basically making the Dreambox look festive and for the holidays, which was basically my end goal. So I wasn't sure if I should keep these in the plastic, but I think I'm just going to take them out. These candles are one of the things I picked up while I was at IKEA. I unwrapped them and then added the tiny bowls from the Dollar Tree on the front of them. These little ornaments I also got from IKEA. I loved the miniature size and the mix of colors it came with. The matte tones really looked nice next to the traditional vibrant colors. This little house was one of the items I already had. This garland came from Target. I chose this for the front of my Dreambox because it's felt, which is really lightweight, and I was able to just tuck the ends inside the crown without having to find any extra adhesive that would work. I got these micro lights from Dollar Tree. All you have to do is unscrew it, and then it takes 2 AA batteries, and then obviously you just turn the lights on, and it works perfectly with the little trees. All I did was unravel the lights, wrap them lightly around the trees, and then tuck the battery out of plain sight. So I set up my Dreambox where I usually have it in the corner, and I wanted to show you guys the reveal, so show you guys how everything looks when it's open, and also so you guys can basically see how it looks when it's closed. So let's just get into it. One of my favorite parts of decorating the Dreambox was actually putting the ornaments on the little hooks. I thought that was so cool. I found those at IKEA, and I wanted like little mini ornaments. And yeah, oh, the other part I really liked was just adding the candy canes up here. I thought that was like super cheap, super festive. Like, who doesn't need candy canes for the holidays, right? So I thought that was really cool. I kind of like the candles here. Of course, they're just for decoration. I'm not going to be lighting them or anything like that. I feel like I could have did a little bit better right here with this. I was thinking about getting more jars and putting more ornaments in them, but I was like, I don't know. I already bought the candles, so I was kind of just being like, you know, maybe I'll switch it up like for another holiday or something like that. Maybe I'll do that. Actually, it might be a really good idea. So the ribbons I actually use, and I got them from Michael's. I'll be using those in a few of the other videos that I have coming up. Remember, I'm actually doing a whole bunch of these DIY gifting ideas and stuff like that. Obviously, this is not like a gifting idea, but it's still in the realm of DIY. It's perfect for crafters, so I felt like it was like perfect for anybody looking for, you know, holiday styling for their Dreambox. When I first got my Dreambox, I actually was looking for specific videos like this, and I couldn't find them. They weren't on there, so this is like why I wanted to show you guys exactly how to style it, what paper to use, like how you can do it, you know what I mean? Of course, my aesthetic and my craft will be different from other people's, and that's, you know, that's totally fine. That's like what makes everyone like super creative, you know? So, but again, I wanted to put some inspiration out there for you guys. So if you have a Dreambox, let me know. If you're planning on getting a Dreambox, let me know. And yeah, don't forget for the Dreambox, I do have a discount code in my description box below. So if you guys are looking to get one, click the link and use a discount to hook yourselves up. So that's all I have for you guys for this DIY holiday styling video. I don't decorate a ton in my house for the holidays. Of course, I put up like a tree and stuff like that, but I don't like go crazy. So this like little world, I was able to decorate and make it look really festive. And I'm not sure if you guys know, but the Dreambox that I have is in my dining room. If you guys watch my other craft room makeover video, you already know that my Dreambox is in my dining space. I don't have a separate craft room. I don't have a separate office for like stuff like this. So it's in my dining room, and that's why I kind of wanted to make sure it worked and be a little bit more festive, especially because I'm going to be recording more crafty videos. And then also, like I said, because it's in my dining room, I feel like that's like the perfect space to have like a little bit more of those like, I don't know, holiday elements. So that's that. Guys, make sure you like this video because it really does help me out. Make sure you comment if you have any questions or comments, or if this video inspired you in any kind of way. Let me know if you're a crafter, what kind of crafts you do. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel if this is your first time here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let me start over. All right. Take 3. Oh, I hate when I do that. Whew, I think that was it.